seamlessly keep track of your new, in-process, and overall store orders right from the dashboard. For full control over your orders, simply access Store Services and select Store Orders. Then, click on the action icon to proceed. Processing a new order is made easy with the click of a button. Once completed, proceed directly to your in-progress orders. Then, click on the action icon to proceed.
Feel free to compose a reply to your valued client. Once you're ready, simply proceed by clicking the Check In button to finalize the order. If, for any reason, you need to decline the order, just select both check-in options.
Once you've made your decision, press Update Order. Your order has now been successfully completed. For a comprehensive view of your store's order history, just click on Order History and access all the information you need.